Maintaining your own code to map between the fields in a Firestore document and a Swift class is labor-intensive and error-prone. For example, say that you have information about books in Firestore, and for each book you track the author, title and the number of pages, and that you want to read that data into your iOS app. You used to have to write Swift code like this. And sure, it's maybe not horribly complex, but there's quite a lot of boilerplate, and it's sort of tricky to see the actual field names in there. And as you expand this, you're bound to make mistakes. That's why our Firestore SDKs for Apple platforms also support reading and writing so-called codables, which cleans up the code to look like this. Now this code handles many more cases, and you can see that the entire mapping is nicely isolated in that first struct, which is called a codable. Support for codables has already been in our SDKs for a while, but we're now so confident that this is a better way to map your data that we added it to our documentation too. So check the page called Map Cloud Firestore Data with Swift Codable for all the details.